your contact.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay.
do your thing, do your thing. Yeah, this one we need it. It's recording. Yeah, man. So, it's cool. Like, hold on. Let me get my train of thought right. So, I love how everyone's like, hey, welcome to Kenya. It was kind of like that in Grenada. They're not bad people, so I'm not saying that. But what them coming up to us and like, hey, let me take you here. Let me take you. I'm like, whoa. Y'all got to chill with that. I got to chill with that. We had this one guy, we ain't going to say his name.
I wish I would have recorded it.
Yeah, it was just
But I was in shock.
It was a little uncomfortable. Because everybody wants to make money, I understand. But it was like, bro, like, we said we wanted the Uber and you still asking us, can we take you? I was like, hey,
he escorted us to the Uber drop-off pickup. Like, he took my suitcase and brought it over here. I was like, thanks for taking my suitcase, because my husband couldn't take it because he already had to. But, like, it was a little spooky. Like, were you going to run off on the plug, you know?
Well, it's just real, like, it's overwhelming just because it's not.
It's a lot out here.
Yeah, it wasn't just that one person. It was like 10 people at once. Like, hey, let me take you here. Let me take you here. And it's like, yo, I don't even want to tell y'all where we stand. Yeah, but I understand it's a cultural thing. People aren't as nice like this in the United States
at all.
Because I'm very much on protective mode, because that's how you got to be in the States sometimes. But here it's like, no, these people are actually just really nice. But they'll still try to get over on you.
Yeah, they will, because what they were charging us for taxis, crazy.
Ah, thank you.
Thank
We're
you.
in Kenya, the land of lions,
Yes.
elephants.
Not lions, elements.
The motherland.
The motherland.
The motherland.
And be careful when you are walking around, because they usually come out, the lions, and say hi to you.
Oh,
We don't want them saying
Don't say that.
No, they just say hi. They don't have no any bad, but they say hi.
Oh, gosh.
And when you say hi to them, they are good.
Okay. I don't know about that.
So you might be meeting them along the way.
Yeah. Hi. Bye.
Augustino. Just met him today.
Oh, today?
Yeah, just
that's
met
what we
him
were
today.
talking about.
You to go with him.
Yeah.
I know, they do that.
Man, it can be a bit overwhelming, because you know it's not like that in the United States. It's a little different.
People are
right?
mean in the U.S.
Yeah, so for everybody
Americans are mean.
Everybody was coming like, hey, let us drive you here. We was like, no, we'll take an Uber for now.
Yeah. This guy, they just roam around. Whenever they see you requesting and you have many bags, they come to you. This guy is far. He's not coming.
No, I knew you were coming. Okay. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Yeah. Okay. We could get in here? Yeah. Ooh, child. It's a little.
There we go.
Ooh.
Yeah, we can. So I need the card.
Yes, there you go. Perfect.
Okay.
So it's only been up for a year. Wow.
It's a beautiful hotel.
Asante, thank you.
Yeah, it's definitely beating anything in the Americas.
Oh.
Yeah, I promise you.
America is the ghetto. It's the ghetto.
Then I don't think that's the picture they show us from.
No,
it's not.
It's a lie.
It's a
all
lie?
lies.
I think I gotta see for myself. Sorry, I won't take it. I gotta see for myself. Sorry.
I hit my butt.
Don't believe everything you see.
It's a lie.
Everybody here is they are rushing like they want to come to the American lifestyle.
No, I want to come to Kenya.
You want to come down here?
I got this.
Yeah, you get it.
419. Here, take this because you may need it.
Okay.
Or you may not.
Nope.
There we go.
It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, there.
Thank you. Cheers, cheers.
But yeah, there's so many Black Americans that are trying to move here.
We'd like to access the pool area. We have an elevator down here.
Oh.
This is the exit.
Oh, perfect.
So we just access the area.
And the
Horizon and also behind it. So maybe you can check it out after you
Perfect. I'm so excited.
carry this. Here we go.
Okay, so.
On top of the lock. There. Super.
Oh, easy peasy.
Easy peasy all the way. Take it all the way. It's gonna click like that.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, perfect.
Ooh, this is beautiful. This is nice.
It smells amazing in here.
What'd you say?
It smells amazing in here. We did too.
Thank you. This is stunning.